Hi guys, how are you? This is Larry Mabry. I just want to touch base today. I'm curious to see, will you show up to the game? I'll say it again. Will you show up to the game? What game, you ask? The game of life. Exactly. Are you committed to your business? Are you committed to growing? Are you committed to being, doing, having whatever you want in life? That's my question to you. Are you? Well, let's talk about that for a moment. What does it take to be committed? Commitment means you're able to do what's necessary to be successful, period. Now, I understand because, many years ago, I was at a place where I wasn't very disciplined. And that's a very important key because in order to be successful, you have to be pretty disciplined. It's not difficult, but it takes some discipline. That means that, you can't really get caught up with what everybody else says. People will say things and you have to be focused. And I'm going to kind of give you the story. If you ever watch a horse and they're running, when the horses run, you notice they have the blinders on kind of right here. And the reason why they have those blinders is so they can stay focused. They have to stay focused in order to get down the track. And that's kind of like us in life. We have certain goals. Well, we should have goals. But if you notice that you're kind of going through life, kind of bumping around and you don't really have any goals, if you're like me, I was at a place in my life where back in the day, I didn't really have goals. I was just kind of out there. But then I got to a point where I wanted something different. And I decided to lock my arms with some people that wanted something different. So if you're at that place, you're looking to do something different for 2016, lock arms with me, click on the link below, and let's change it. But a couple of things I want to share with you. I'm looking for some people who are committed. Because if you commit to yourself, I'll commit to you. I'm looking for some people that want a little bit more out of life and they're willing to work hard for it. And I know that there's some people out there who are willing to work hard, like myself and the rest of my team. So click on the link below. Let's lock arms together, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace and love. Deuces.